Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I still think this looks like a big old W, a big old X, and I think we're going up for an ABC of wave Y, and a wave Y should be three waves. It should be a trend, a correction, and another trend. So I'm expecting to see an A, a B, and a C of wave Y, which would most likely take it up, probably above these two previous highs. So keeping that in mind, let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm still looking at this right here as an uptrend. I still think it looks like a most likely a wave A. Actually, I'm sorry. I think this over here is the wave A. I think this is the wave B, and then I think this is a 1 of C, and I think this is a 2 of wave C, and I think this is more likely on the weekly time frame going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows in a wave 3 of wave C. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this right here is the end of a correction, probably the wave 2 of C. This over here is the wave 1 of C. I think that makes this right here a subdivision of the wave 3, like a 1 of 3. We may already have the 2 of 3. I mean, possibly it will go down and take out the low wave 4 like a 2 should. But as of right now, it is definitely higher highs, higher lows. This little box right here represents a break of structure, which we definitely don't have. I don't really see any reason to believe that this is not going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows in a wave 3. So keeping it all in mind, let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last push down right here. We are sitting at the 78%, which is 78 is the area of resistance no matter if it's a reversal or not. And it does kind of look like a little bit of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So maybe it is due for a pullback. But I would kind of expect that this would just be a correction, especially with the fact that the move up is so much like a trend. I would expect this to just be a correction to that uptrend, and I would expect to see it continue to make higher highs on the 4 hour and daily time frame. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I mean, yeah, it definitely is respecting the fib level a little bit, but we don't even have any break of structure. My break of structure level would be right here. If it does break structure, then anything below the 1 hour time frame, you can start looking for shorts. If it doesn't break structure, I would still be looking for longs, because just because we're at the 78% doesn't mean it's over. It could easily make a higher low, higher low, higher low, and just keep on trending up. So I would keep an eye for a break of structure. If it breaks, start looking for shorts. If it doesn't break, then continue to look for longs at the end of pullbacks for potentially what could be the continuation of a wave 3 on the much, much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my Zoom meetings and access to my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.